Workout exercise B, a lot more simpler this one, so they're in no particular order, so do choose what ones you prefer. We're just going to make flick, cross, uncross, step, ball change, step, ball change, step. Then we start with the left foot. Flick, cross, uncross, step, ball change, step, ball change, step. This is actually quite a hard one for some adult beginners that haven't danced before and have trouble with which foot to use and coordination. Then we can repeat that, say 4 times, and then making a heel beat on the supporting foot. Heel, 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 step, ball change, step, ball change, step. Heel, 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 step, ball change, step, ball change, step. Again 4 times. And then if you wanted to, you could then repeat it again with a hop. Hop, 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 step, ball change, step, ball change, step. I'm not going to do it with the hops today because you might want to follow along with me doing it with my music on the video, and if you're of a beginner standard you might not want to do it with the hops and get confused. So I'm going to do it 4 times with just the flick and then 4 times with the heel and keep repeating that. Don't forget you can join this to the previous one or to other later workout exercises. Let's try with the music. Flick, 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 step, ball change, step, ball change, step, flick, 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 step, ball change. Now with the heel. Heel, 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 step. Heel, 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 step. Heel. Heel. Now without the heel again. Flick, 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 step, ball change, step, ball change, step. Now with the heel again. Heel, 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 step. Heel, 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 step. Workout exercise C. Start with the feet apart and toes out, but not too wide. You'll see why in a minute. So we're going to do 4 counts. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Rise, lower, balls, heels. We're going to do that 4 times. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Rise, lower, balls, heels. I'll show you that from the other side. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Rise, lower, balls, heels. Now the reason you mustn't have your feet too far apart, we're going to do heels out, balls out, heels out, balls out. Then we're going to come in, balls, heels, heels. Then repeat, heel, ball, ball, heel, ball, heel. And again, you could do that 4 times or as much or as little as you want. Then we're going to do 4 beat cramp rolls, which is springing on the ball, 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 heel, heel, ball, ball, heel, heel, ball, ball, heel, heel, ball, ball, heel, heel, and then 5 beat cramp rolls, tap, spring, ball, heel, heel, tap, spring, ball, heel, heel, tap, spring, ball. I'll just show you the cramp rolls from the other side. 4 beat, springing onto the ball, 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 heel, heel, ball, ball, heel, heel, ball, ball, heel, heel, ball, ball, heel, heel. 5 beat, tap, spring onto the ball, tap, spring, ball, heel, heel, tap, spring, ball, heel, heel, tap, spring, ball, heel, heel. And then we start from the beginning. You'll see your feet are out slightly, so we can begin rise, lower, balls, heels. Let's try with some music. Workout D. Ball change, lunge 4 times. Back front, out, back front, out, back front, out, back front, out. Brush round, ball change, lunge. Scuff round, ball change, lunge. And if you don't know how to do any of these steps, do look in the description below where I link the videos how to do the steps. And then finally, drop, scuff, brush round, ball change, no lunge. And then we go back to the beginning, ball change, lunge. ball change, lunge, ball change, lunge, ball change, lunge, ball change, brush, ball change, brush, ball change, brush, scuff, drop scuff, let's try with some music.